With the HPC System E3, you can repair slight damage on aluminum parts such as trim rims. It is advisable to release the air from the tires before beginning the repair. Depending on the damage, it can also be useful to remove the rims. Clean the repair area thoroughly beforehand with E3 cleaner. Fill small damage areas with E3 gel and spread it evenly with a trowel. The special feature of this gel is its particularly short drying time. The E3 activator additionally accelerates the hardening. Then sand down the repair area with a 240 grit sandpaper. Then clean with a lint-free cloth. Then apply the primer wheel filler in thin layers, so long until the repair gel is covered. Allow to dry for 5 minutes. Then sand down with 1200 grit sandpaper. The paints of the metallic series offer the appropriate metal color. Compare the color using the paint can label. Then paint the repaired area with so many coats until it is completely covered. Touch up the edges and allow to dry for 5 minutes. When the paint is dry, seal the rim with several coats of clear coat. The last coat should be slightly thicker. This enables that the repair area blends with its surroundings.